Hello, my name is Faris and you join me here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Style. This vehicle comes in a long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine producing 150 PS. Accompanying this is a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes in a lovely two-tone colour combination of mono silver over energetic orange. Across the front of the vehicle we'll find a set of IQ LED matrix headlights, and the vehicle also benefits from having a set of front parking sensors. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find a set of 19-inch Harmstadt alloy wheels which come in a silver and black colour. Privacy glass lines the rear windows as well as the rear tailgate window, which has a heated function. And further helping you park and manoeuvre, the Multivan features a rear view camera as well as a set of rear parking sensors. Opening up the tailgate and taking a look into the boot area of the vehicle, there's a large amount of storage space which can be increased by moving the rear seats forward. In and to the left we'll find the toggle switch for the deployable tow bar. Taking a look at the inside rear passenger seat area, there's a total of 5 seats, 3 individual seats in the back and 2 seats in the middle. There is a foldable table that provides cup holders that can be slid the entire length of the vehicle, and a full glass panoramic sunroof allows plenty of natural light into the vehicle. Up front in the cab there are 2 singular seats, both with 2 armrests each. These are finished in the Art Velours fabric upholstery, providing comfort on even the longest of journeys. In the centre of the dash we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system. This comes with inbuilt navigation, as well as allowing you to access any of your favourite radio stations or connect your smartphone device using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Throughout the rest of the centre console we'll find some quick menu access buttons, as well as a variety of different charging points and a few cup holders. And for the driver there is a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel, which is paired with a Volkswagen digital cockpit system. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this approved used Volkswagen Multivan Style long wheelbase. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.